In this video, we're going to talk about inheritance in Solidity. If you've ever copied the same functions into two contracts and thought, there has to be a better way, there is. One contract can inherit from another and reuse its code. That's inheritance. The contract you inherit from is the parent, or base contract. The one that extends it is the child, or derived contract. The simplest case, one child, one parent. Child didn't rewrite setSum. It inherited it and only added getSum. A child can access internal and public members from its parent. Private members stay in the contract that declared them. Child contracts cannot access them directly. In multi-level inheritance, the chain keeps growing. C inherits from B, which already inherited from A. Deploy C, and you can call getA, getB, and getC on the same contract. In hierarchical inheritance, multiple children share one parent. Same shared logic, different extensions. You write the common part once. If the parent has a constructor, it always runs before the child's during deployment. To replace parent behavior, mark the parent function virtual and the child function override. To extend parent behavior, instead of replacing it, use super. Super dot get value calls the parent's implementation. Here, 100 plus 50. Which parent super calls depends on Solidity's inheritance resolution order. You'll see why that matters with multiple parents. A contract can inherit from more than one parent. When parents define different functions, the child inherits all public and internal members from both. No naming conflicts, no problem. When they define the same function, the child must resolve it explicitly. The child can't simply write override, it must list every parent, like override AB. Skip that, and the contract won't compile. The order in is A, B also matters. Solidity follows a deterministic inheritance resolution order, which affects which implementation super calls. Keep inheritance shallow. Favor composition over inheritance when contracts don't represent a natural is-a relationship. Don't inherit just to save 10 lines. If you only share a utility function, a library is often cleaner. Prefer internal over public for variables children need but external users don't. And in production, you'll see this everywhere. ERC20 bases, ownable, pausable modules. Inheritance is how teams reuse battle-tested code. Share what's common, override what isn't, and keep each contract focused on what makes it different. Get comfortable with virtual, override, and super. Once you do, reading and extending libraries like OpenZeppelin becomes much more natural.